3 brilliant Japanese ideas that would make life better everywhere. First, Japan has overhead gas stations with full-service attendants. Instead of ground-level pumps, the fuel hoses drop from above, letting cars pull in from any angle without worrying about hose reach. An attendant pulls the nozzle down from the overhead unit and pumps the gas for you. They'll often wash your windshield, collect your trash, and make sure everything's taken care of while you stay comfortably in the driver's seat. Second, Japan has sidewalk traffic lights designed just for pedestrians, placed right on the edge of the sidewalk. These ground-level lights are synced with standard traffic signals and let you know exactly when it's safe to walk. They're especially helpful for people who are looking down at their phones, making crossing safer and smarter in busy city areas. Lastly, Japan has high-tech sanitizing stations in front of major stores. These machines do more than just dispense hand sanitizer. As soon as you step up, a sensor releases gel onto your hands. A thermal LED screen scans your forehead to check your temperature, and a fine mist sprays around your feet to sanitize your shoes. If you ever have a wrinkled shirt in Japan, you don't need to pull out an iron, just use an anti-wrinkle spray. Many people in Japan swap traditional ironing for this spray. You simply spritz it on the wrinkled areas, give the clothing a shake, and within a minute, the wrinkles are gone. Next, if you're in Tokyo, don't stand on the right side of the escalator. In Japan, people stand on the left so others can pass on the right, keeping foot traffic moving smoothly during rush hour. Next, in Japan, if you see these, you might wonder what they are. These are transparent public restrooms placed throughout Japan. At first glance, it looks like everyone would be able to see you, but once you walk in and lock the door, the glass instantly turns opaque, giving you complete privacy. Finally, in Japan, they have caps filled with matcha. These unique water bottles come with a special cap that holds fresh matcha powder. When you're ready to drink, you simply twist the top, and the matcha releases from the cap into the water, creating a cool visual swirl as it mixes. Then you shake it, and just like that, you have a fresh matcha drink on the go. First, Japan has underarm sweat patches designed for people who sweat a lot. You stick them inside your shirt directly over the armpit area. They soak up all the sweat before it hits the fabric, keeping your clothes completely dry. They also help prevent odor, making them perfect for long days, crowded trains, or hot summers. You can wear them to work, the gym, or even on dates without worrying about embarrassing sweat marks or smell. Second, Japan has a law requiring snack companies to match the actual product to what's shown on the packaging. If the bag shows a perfectly round cookie or a certain size of cracker, that's exactly what you should get inside. The size, shape, and appearance must be accurate. It's meant to protect customers from false advertising, and if companies break the rule, they can actually be fined. Lastly, they have portable paper soap. It comes in little booklets that look like sticky notes, but each sheet dissolves into real soap when you add water. Just grab one, wet your hands, and you've got a full lather wherever you are. No need to touch dirty public soap or worry about carrying liquid bottles. Perfect for trains, festivals, or anywhere on the go. Free ice is given to you at most supermarkets in Japan. When you buy raw products like fish or meat, they offer what's called service ice, bags of clean, non-edible ice to keep your food fresh on the way home. You simply place the ice in the same bag as your raw meat or seafood, and that's it. Secondly, Japan has robots at airports that carry your luggage for you. When you arrive, you scan your flight ticket using the robot's screen. Then you load your bags, usually 1 to 3 max. After that, you choose exactly where you want your luggage to go. It could be your gate, a lounge seat, or even a restaurant if you plan to stop and eat. Once the destination is set, the robot shows you where your bags are headed and gives you a delivery time. Then it heads off on its own, weaving through the airport while you move freely without dragging anything behind you. Lastly, they've got vending machines that make fresh orange juice using real oranges with no added ingredients. The machine grabs a whole orange, pokes a small hole at the top, and inserts a blending tool directly inside, liquefying it completely without ever peeling it. A few seconds later, the juice is poured into a cup, giving you one of the freshest, most natural drinks you can get. In Japan, taxi doors open automatically. Unlike in the US, where you have to open and close the door yourself, taxis in Japan do it for you. When the car pulls up, the back door opens on its own. No touching needed. You just hop in and it closes automatically behind you. It's a small detail, but it makes the entire ride feel smoother and more futuristic. Secondly, in Korea, many restaurants have chairs with built-in storage, especially in Korean barbecue spots. To keep your clothes from smelling like smoke or food, the chairs open up to reveal hidden compartments. You can store your coats, bags, and other belongings inside to protect protect them from the fumes while you eat. Lastly, in Japan, they have sticky Q-tips. These aren't your average cotton swabs. They have a light adhesive at the tip that grabs onto wax and debris, making it easier to clean your ears without pushing anything further in. It's cleaner, safer, and just makes way more sense than the Q-tips we're used to. In Japan, they have storm prevention centers. These aren't just educational. They're full-on immersive experiences where you can safely go through simulations of natural disasters like earthquakes, typhoons, and tsunamis. The idea is to prepare people for real emergencies by letting them feel what these disasters are actually like. Visitors learn how to react, where to take cover, and what steps to take for safety, all through hands-on, realistic training. In Japan, they have face detection ticket gates. Normally, when you ride the train or subway, you have to tap your card or ticket to get through, unless you're the type to just hop the bar. But at Osaka Station, they've taken things a step further. You simply walk through the gate, and it uses facial recognition to verify your identity and your ticket. No tapping, just walk and go. It's connected to your IC card account. So once you register your face, that's all you need. Secondly, it's almost impossible to survive Japan's brutal summers without some help. That's why most people carry cooling facial sunscreen sticks while they're out. You just rub it across your face, and it instantly gives you a cold sensation while moisturizing your skin at the same time. And if rubbing a stick on your face isn't your thing, there are cooling wipes too. You pull one out of the pack, swipe it across your body, and suddenly it feels like you stepped into an air-conditioned freezer. Lastly, in South Korea, they dispense beer through the bottom of the cup. You just place your cup on the machine, hold it down, and it fills from the bottom up. And if you're the type to bring the party home, they also sell soju dispensers that attach to your bottle. Once it's connected, it automatically pours your drink and stops just before the cup overflows. In Japan, they have vertical sleeping pods. If you're ever tired and need a quick nap, you can step into one of these in public areas, especially near offices for workers on break. They look like a phone booth, but are designed for standing naps, with 4 cushioned pads to support your head, calves, hips, and feet. You can adjust them based on your height, letting you take a quick nap while keeping your posture supported. Second, in Japan, they have coin wallets for everyday use. Since coins are used so often in Japan, many people carry small wallets or pouches made specifically to organize them. These wallets have sections to separate yen coins by exact amount, making it easy to pay without fumbling around at the register. Lastly, in Japan, even going to the hospital is made easier. When it's time to get your physical or have blood drawn, many hospitals use infrared vein scanners. These devices locate and pinpoint the exact position of your veins, making the process of drawing blood faster and more accurate. It makes the experience safer for both the patient and the nurse. And it's one of those small innovations that makes healthcare feel less stressful. In Korea, they have slide-on tables at restaurants. Instead of carrying each dish to your table, they load everything onto a full tray table and slide it right onto yours. It lines up perfectly, making it super convenient and fast. And when you're done, they just slide the whole thing back for cleanup. It's smooth, efficient, and way easier for both the staff and the customers. Secondly, in Japan, you pay on a tray. Whether you're at a restaurant or a convenience store, it's custom and polite to place your cash on a small tray rather than handing it directly to the cashier. They'll take the money from the tray and return your change and receipt the same way. It's simple, respectful, and keeps the whole transaction neat and smooth. First, in Japan, they have Oreo churros. These chocolate churros are made fresh at stands outside, fried right in front of you, rolled in powdered sugar and crushed Oreo dust, then served with a side of white creamy icing you squeeze on top. It's sweet, crunchy, and way too addictive. Secondly, you can find sneaker washers and dryers everywhere. Unlike in the US, where shoes bang around in regular machines, Japan has coin washers made just for sneakers. Just drop in your shoes, insert coins, and it auto-dispenses detergent. The drum has soft brushes, so your sneakers stay in place. Right above it is a dryer with circular racks that dry each shoe individually. Quick, clean, and convenient.